In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play Silent Night. And I'm going to teach you how to play it in the key of A major. So there will be some sharps that you will have to play, but it is very simple and it sounds very beautiful. And this is why I chose to play it in this key. So when you play the song, the very first thing that you will play is, you're going to play the A major chord in your left hand and E in the right hand. Silent. Okay, then you're gonna just go to the F sharp, back to the E, and then C sharp. Okay, when you play the C sharp, you're gonna play the chord again in your left hand. So you're gonna play Silent Night, and you're gonna do the exact same thing. Holy Night. Okay, so you're going from A to G sharp, D, E, which is the E dominant 7th first inversion. All is calm. Okay, so notice I have not made a dramatic change in my finger position. I really didn't move my hands at all. I really just kind of transitioned from the A major to the E dominant 7th in my left hand. And after I played Holy Night in my right hand, I'm just placing my 5th finger over the B to give me that sound of all is calm. Okay. So when you play the E dominant 7th in your left hand, you're playing B along with the chord in your left hand, and you're going to play B again. So you have all is calm. And so when you play the G sharp in your right hand, you're playing the chord in your left hand again. Calm. So you have all is calm. Then you're going to go back to the A major in your left hand along with the A in your right hand. All is bright. Okay, so let's do that again. So we have all is calm. All is bright. Now we're going to go to the next chord, which is the D major in your left hand, and you're playing F sharp in your right hand. So round, yawn, virgin. Okay, so notice I'm playing the F sharp, then I'm going to play the F sharp again, and then Okay, so now I'm playing the chord along with the A. So I have round, yawn, So I'm going from F sharp to A. So I'm playing the F sharp twice. And then I'm going to go down to the G sharp, back to the F sharp again. So the G sharp is your passing tone. So you have round, yawn, virgin. Okay, notice I haven't played anything in my left hand as I'm playing the passing tone in my right hand. So I'm going from round, yawn, virgin. So I'm only playing the D major chord twice. Then I'm going back to the A major chord, mother and child. Okay, so it's the same exact progression as you're playing silent night. So when you go to round, yawn, virgin, mother and child, and notice I'm crossing over my first finger from the E to the C sharp with my second finger. And I'm going to do the exact same thing again with holy, infant, soul, tender, and mild. Okay. Now you're going to go back to the E dominant 7th chord in your left hand, and you're going to play the B in your right hand with your 3rd finger. Sleep in heavenly. Okay, so notice that my fingers are already in place. So after I'm transitioning from holy, infant, soul, tender, and mild, I'm going to remember to place my 3rd finger over the B, which automatically positions my 2nd finger over the G sharp and 5th finger over the D in my right hand. So tender and mild, sleep. Okay, so this is the very first note that you will play when you're playing the E dominant 7th in your left hand. You're playing the B in your right hand. So you're playing sleep in heavenly. Okay, sleep in he. So now you're going to play the E dominant 7th chord again along with the D. So you're going to play the B twice. Sleep in heavenly. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. I'm playing the G sharp with my 2nd finger. Then I'm going to go back to the A major chord in my left hand. Okay, so I'm playing the A 1st finger, C sharp with my 3rd finger. So we have sleep in heavenly peace. Okay. Then you're going to continue to play the A major chord in your left hand, and you're going to move your right hand to the A, E, and C sharp, which is the A major chord first inversion. Okay, so you have sleep in. I'm going to play that again. Sleep in. Okay, now notice when I played the A, E, and C sharp, I only played the chord in my left hand one time, and I'm actually playing the chord with the A. So I played A, then I'm going to play the E and C sharp. A with my 5th finger, E with my 2nd finger, and C sharp with my 1st finger. So I have sleep in. Then I'm going to place my 5th finger. So I'm going to cross over. I'm going to go from A, E, C sharp. I'm going to place my 5th finger over the E while I'm playing the E dominant 7th. Okay. heavenly. Okay. E with my 5th finger, D with my 4th finger, and B with my 2nd finger. Heavenly peace. Okay. Now you're going to end peace with the A major chord in your left hand and A in your right hand. So we have sleep in heavenly peace. Okay, so let's go over the song one more time. So we have